Let's understand self-join in SQL using a simple employee and manager example. So first thing is, what is self-join? So a self-join is used when we join a table with itself. We use self-join when data in one row is related to another row in the table. Okay. So we'll see a very common example through employee and manager data. Okay. So I have one table, one employee table. In this table, you can see there are three columns: employee ID, employee name, and manager ID. Okay. So employee manager ID stores the employee ID of the manager. Okay. So in this table, you can see Amit has no manager. So manager ID is null. If you see Ravi and Neha, their manager ID is 1 and 1 is Amit. So Ravi and Neha manager is Amit. Same way if you see Priya and Rahul, their manager ID is 2 and 2 is Ravi. So Priya Rahul manager is Ravi. Okay. So now the question is, how do we find each employee and their manager name, right? So I already written one query. So let me tell you what this query will do. So E as an alias for employee data, M is an alias for manager data. Okay. So we join employee.manager ID with manager.employee ID. Okay. So we use left join here. So left join is used so that employee without manager are also shown. Okay. So let me execute this query. Yeah. So for Amit, manager ID is null, right? Because he is the top manager. If you see Ravi and Neha, their manager is Amit, and for Priya and Rahul, their manager is Ravi. So this is how self join works. Okay. And in self join, aliases are mandatory. Okay. Without alias, SQL will not know which row belongs to which employee and which row belongs to which manager. So we use alias, and it's very mandatory. We use self join when we need to compare rows within the same table, such as employee and manager relationships. This is how self join works in SQL with a real time example. Follow for more SQL interview questions. Thank you.